Welcome mamas to Slow Down with Kirsten 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 9. It is all about stretching. As I'm sure all of you are feeling some shape or form of stretching in your body during this pregnancy, just know that you're not alone. I'm here with you. Now in this flow, we're focusing on stretching in a different way. Stretching is not only vital for growing a baby, but it's also vital for relieving tension and improving flexibility. This flow is for you to prepare your body, mind, and spirit for labor and postpartum recovery. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. We're gonna start just by giving ourselves some love. Wrap those arms around you or around your baby. Take a deep, revitalizing breath in. And let those shoulders go. Exhale. One more deep breath in. And a deep exhale. All right, today we're getting started in child's pose. You know the drill. Knees out wide, big toes to touch. Begin to walk your hands forward. Lay your forehead, your arms onto the mat. Rest deeply in this pose, stretching your back and shoulders, and connecting with your breath and your baby. On an inhale, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat, feeling a gentle side body stretch. Inhale, walk your hands over to the opposite side of your mat. Inhale, come back to center and walk your hands up into all fours. Wrists underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. Take a deep inhale here. Expand your lungs, shine your chest forward and look up into cow pose. Exhale, really round that spine. Look down at your navel, tuck your pelvis, exhale. As you inhale, move into cow pose. As you exhale, move into cat pose. Flow with the cycle of your own breath. With stretching, consistency is key. By practicing these stretches daily, you are not only building a strong foundation for labor, but also for recovery. On an inhale, come back to a flat back. Walk your hands a few inches forward, coming into pigeon pose. Bring right knee directly behind your right wrist and slide your left leg back straight. Square your hips. Make sure that your back leg is directly in line, not falling from side to side. Inhale, lengthen your spine here. And exhale, fold. Feel free to stay on your hands if you need some more space for your belly, or come down to your forearms. As you hold this stretch, let go of any built-up emotions. Breathe through the discomfort. Allow your mind to clear and your heart to open. Inhale, walk your forearms or your hands over to the left side of your mat. You should feel a deep stretch in your outer hip. Inhale, come back to center and walk your hands back up. Coming back up into all fours. Again, walk your hands forward. We're now switching sides. Left knee behind left wrist, right leg out straight behind you. Pigeon pose. Inhale, square your hips, press your hands gently into your mat and lengthen your spine. Exhale, begin to walk your hands forward, coming onto your forearms if this is comfortable for you. As you're holding this stretch, take this opportunity to connect deeply with your body and your baby. With each inhale, imagine creating more space for peace and calm inside your body for you and your baby. With every exhale, surrender yourself. On an inhale, walk your forearms and hands over to the right side of your mat for an outer hip stretch. Just as you're letting gravity do the work in this pose, let gravity, intuition, your body, angels around you support you and help you during labor and delivery. Inhale, come back to center and come into staff bent knees. Coming into Janu Shashasana twist, extend your left leg out long, right sole of your foot to the left inner thigh, bending your right knee. Place your left hand in your inner thigh, right hand behind you. Keeping your belly facing forward, turn your shoulders out to open your heart and look over your right shoulder. Feel the gentle opening in your shoulders, your heart, and your upper body. With each inhale, lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, feel your heart open a little deeper. Coming back to center, lengthen your spine and begin to fold over your front leg for Janu Shashasana fold. Again, lengthen your spine with each inhale. And with every exhale, let gravity push you closer and closer to your leg. Switching sides now. Right leg extended long, left knee bent with the left sole of your foot to your inner thigh. Right hand comes to your inner thigh, left hand behind you. Again, keep your hips squared and belly to the front, opening your shoulders out wide to the side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. On an inhale, come back to center, lengthen your spine. And exhale, walk your hands forward for Janu Shashasana fold. Inhale, walk your hands back up, now coming to a wide-legged seat. Come to sit on your sit bones. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, walk your hands forward slowly. You should feel this deep stretch on your inner thighs. Allow your body to fold forward naturally with gravity, stretching your back and legs, and creating more space for emotional release in your hips. Continue to breathe with the cycles of your breath here. Inhale, walk your hands back up, coming into staff bent knees. Placing your hands out behind you, soles of your feet out in front of you, engage your quads and your glutes. Press soles of your hands and feet into the mat and begin to lift off the mat for reverse tabletop. Don't forget to breathe. Exhale, release. Let's do some windshield wipers to loosen up those hips. Coming into our final resting pose, get really comfortable here. Place a pillow or bolster between your legs and a blanket under your head. Feel free to place your hand on your belly to connect with your baby and find complete and utter rest here. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, keeping your eyes shut. Come up into a seated position. Close your eyes. Place palms of your hands together and begin to rub your hands slowly together, creating heat. Going faster and faster and faster. Keeping your eyes shut, place your hands now on your eyes. Blink 3 times. Namaste. I hope you are feeling revitalized and energized after doing that flow together. I would love to know in the comments how many weeks along you are and how you're feeling about your upcoming birth. I think it's super helpful to share positive birth stories with other moms. So if you have a story you would like to share, feel free to share it in the comments below. Be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Namaste.